welcome back to my channel, Mimi's Makeup. In this video, we're gonna talk about a mascara review. Of course, I love mascara reviews. So in this video, we're gonna talk about Oriflame mascara, and this one, so this baby right here, it's called the One No Compromise Mascara, and as you can see, it looks so plain. So as usual, we're gonna start with the packaging, and as you can see, the packaging is really black, like with the signature packaging of Oriflame mascara. If you're using Oriflame mascaras, you know that they have a lot of mascaras like in the same packaging but with different colors. This one is really plain and really black. Looks so cute, by the way, and have the writing like having this holographic colors in it. It's just so beautiful. It's really simple writing, but at the same time this holographic reflection is very pretty. So the packaging is nice so far. Of course, second thing is the brush, and as you can see, the brush is pretty plain. It's just like a regular brush. There's nothing fancy about the brush. I don't like this kind of brushes, and it's normal one. It's not silicone, so it's a very regular shape, not silicone. So for me, the brush is not something I really love about this mascara. But actually it's kind of small, so I can apply it. I apply the mascara over my lashes because if you know which another mascara we use for me, you know that my lashes is really long and curly. It's just curly upwards, really crazy, really drive me crazy when I apply mascara. If the brush is really big or the bristles are so big, it's really hard and I will have smudge everywhere. So I really like trying to have a mascara with kind of like a small wands brush, but I have to try a lot of mascaras to make a mascara review. So this one, the brush I don't like, but actually kind of do the job. Just need to be a little bit like careful when applying this mascara. For the material of the mascara itself, it's really black, it's really nice, and stays on. So for the staying power, it stays on for kind of a long time. So it's really black and really good. So the mascara itself, the material is very good, but the brush is not really good for me. So now I'm gonna leave you with one coat and two coats on one eye comparing to my other eye, bare eye, so you can see the effects of this mascara on my lashes.
From a new world I'd never known. Something about it felt like it'd been waiting my whole life.
We talked about the staying power. It stays on for a really long time. That's really good, especially in hot weather. This stays on with no smudging. So I really like testing mascaras in hot weather, especially here in Egypt. It's kind of hot, really hot in summer and hot in winter. Some days when you have sun, it become kind of hot. So even in winter, it's kind of hot during the day. So yeah, it's hot in hot weather. It's really good. Stays on with no smudging, which is great. For the smudging or banda eyes while washing my face, it doesn't make any banda eyes. It's just wash out really easily, like really easily. There's no banda eyes, no like having this halo of black color. It just it came out with one wash, just really gentle wash. So yeah, it's really nice. Just I can take it off from my lashes really easily without smudging, like having this crazy banda eyes. So that's pretty good for me. So basically for this mascara, it's cute. I may or may not try it again. Maybe I will try other mascaras. But for the packaging, not really. For the brush, not really. Don't like it for me, but maybe you like it. It's just really lame like brush. just normal brush. For the material, it's really, really good, so I give it a thumbs up. For the no smudging and the staying power, it's really good. Give it a thumb up. And for no bend eyes, it's really good too, so I give it a thumb up. So this one is really good. I may not try it again, but overall, it's a good one. So yeah, it's recommended if you want to try something new and you love this kind of brushes. It will just go really, really good with you. So this is for this review. I really hope you like it. And as usual, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share the video with your friends if you like it. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook and other social media. All these links will be in the description box down below. And don't forget to hit the bell button so you have a notification every time I upload a new video on my channel. And I'm gonna see you soon in the next video. I love you so much. Bye!
I can feel